Hey fellow food lovers, welcome to Blogging Good Food, where we bring you the sweetest inspiration for your cake creations. In this video, we are diving into the world of chocolate cake. So if you are craving a slice of heaven, stay tuned. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, the chocolate cake recipes. Whether it's a special occasion or just a sweet craving, this chocolate cake recipe is your go-to guide for a moist and rich delight. Find the full recipe on our website blogginggoodfood.com. Now that you have got the cake, it's time to make it stunning with our chocolate cake decor ideas. First up, let's explore some delectable chocolate cake decorations that will make your cake a true work of art. Craving something extra special? How about a chocolate cake with a peanut butter twist? Looking for unique cake design inspiration? We have got you covered. Explore a world of cake artistry with these stunning designs, whether it's for a birthday, wedding, or any occasion. Your cake will steal the show. Let's dive deeper into the art of cake decorating with some handy techniques. Watch as skilled hands transform a plain cake into a masterpiece. Learn these techniques on our website and become a cake decorating pro. Now let's explore the world of chocolate cake variations that will take your taste buds on a delightful journey. Dive into the irresistible world of chocolate lava cakes. We will show you how to create the perfect molten center that oozes the chocolatey goodness. That's a wrap up on our chocolate cake extravaganza. Remember, all the details and recipes are waiting for you on our website blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow dessert lovers. Until next time, happy baking!